Hey, Emeko Sai here, and I want to give you 10 tips on what it takes to make your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing. All right, number 9 is create an audiobook. Going over to ACX and creating your book, for an audio form is exactly what we talked about when you want to have an ebook, paperback, and an audiobook. Give your customers as many options to purchase and digest your content as possible. Audiobook sales can really take off, especially when ebook and paperback sales might just not be taken off for a particular book. Your audiobook might just take off for whatever reason. It's a completely different demographic that buys audiobooks, and it's a whole different search engine on Audible that you're able to utilize as well. So definitely head over to ACX, get your book into an audiobook format as soon as possible. A lot of reasons that publishers tend to shy away from this is, one, they don't know how profitable it is, and two, they think the cost is actually way too high. You can get most 12, 15,000 word audiobooks or books transcribed into an audiobook form for less than $100 in most cases. The return on investment with audiobooks is just through the roof right now. So definitely head over to ACX and get going on that. Hey, so if you want more great tips like this, be sure to check out my free book, The Self-Publishing Blueprint. It's free. I've printed about 500 of these, so get them while you can. Just cover the shipping, and if you're outside of the States, well, you can get the ebook version as well. Both links are going to be down in the description, so go check those out. Till next time, everyone, I hope to help you hit your first $1,000 online with Kindle publishing.